dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
Good morning. I just wanted to say a quick hi. I'm at Chucky's, and so I'm at Chucky's all by myself now. I've just been cleaning up the room, throwing all the garbage away that I accumulated in there. So yeah, just doing a lot of cleaning. Took a shower this morning. And I'm about to go into Buff Bay to get something at the store. So I'm gonna take a route taxi by myself, and I thought I would show you guys that as well. I took one yesterday for the first time. It's a little bit hectic and everyone was super shocked to see me inside there. But yeah, so we're gonna try it again. That time I was going to somewhere called Norwich. So it was this direction. This time I'm going the other direction to Buff Bay. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'll film the whole thing. Maybe some interesting stuff will happen while we're in Buff Bay. So, all right. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned. All right, and let me just show you guys one more view of Chucky's. Chucky, by the way, went to Port Antonio this morning. He said he wasn't sure if he was gonna be back before I leave. Hopefully he will. So yeah, all right, I'll see you guys in a bit. By the way, this is the room. It's so nice. It's mostly cleaned. I just have to make the bed a little bit, go into Buff Bay, get what I need. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning up this and then we'll be good. Also, I did some laundry this morning, so there's some clotheslines hanging around. There's a bucket with a brush where you can do some laundry. So I just washed like 2 things. And it's hanging now. I kind of underestimated. I thought in the heat it was gonna dry fast. It's not really drying so fast. But here's the clothesline behind me. That's actually why I'm wearing this little sweatshirt. So I'm waiting on it to dry. I think I'm gonna go to Buff Bay in the route taxi and come back, and hopefully by then it's dry. I still have the whole place to myself. There's some fruit over here too, so I might eat some. The other thing is, ever since I got to Jamaica, I've like hardly eaten anything, but then when I have eaten, it's been a giant meal because the plates that they give here are so big, so much food. So when I have eaten, I've been like so full, but like last night, I just didn't plan anything for dinner. So I just didn't eat, which is like kind of what I do at home too. Like if I don't have food, like I just don't eat and I'm like fine with it. But now I'm getting pretty hungry. So I might stop at that jerk place again and get some more jerk pork. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so all right, we're gonna head into Buff Bay. I just wanted to show you the laundry. All right, guys, see you in the next clip. Keep on watching. So I'm leaving Chucky's now, and I'm walking down the road to catch a route taxi. I guess I'm just gonna tell them, can you take me to the pharmacy in Buff Bay? So yeah, I don't know. I guess we're gonna see how that goes. But I have my bag with me, and oh, I wanted to text Chucky actually, telling him that I'm coming back. Let me do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna text Chucky saying, just running to the store and I'm coming back. Okay, let me do that. So I just sent that text. I just wanted to make sure I did it before I left the Wi-Fi. So that is done. And there's just a kind of a long road that you have to walk down to get to the taxi. So we'll see. And now we have a really steep hill to walk up. So beautiful walk to get to the bus stop where the route taxis also come. They drive really crazy. Ever since I got here, everyone's been telling me they drive super crazy, but now I've gotten to actually experience that. So we'll see. Maybe this route taxi will be a little calmer. I'll try and film while I'm inside. Yeah, I'm a little bit out of breath, but it's beautiful. I think you guys saw that big tractor pass. There was hardly any room on the side of the road. So yeah, that was interesting. But we're getting to the bus stop now. And we're just gonna wait here for a route taxi. It's very hot. Very hot.
Because right now this thing, all the vaccine them are taking, you can't help this thing, you know. Vaccine, yeah. You can't help it. Alright, now I feel like if a man make it, then they must mash up that country long time, because they have to mash up the whole world. And when Americans send them in Korea, with the scientists and protest where they come from, they can't find no trace of it. So nobody don't know where it come from. But this is a pestilent. It's a pestilent, this right up, you know. Oh. Eh? Yes, but what I mean, I don't know. Here they say they go heat certain things down there.
Oh, rock buttons.
With germs and that. Because it's a sickness, you know. Remember?
And then they have I 5 sit with them. That sounds.
All kind of sickness, massive.
We feel say all I go on, they know what.
What do you make him think, brother?
You just want to make money.
But with me,
What's your dog? You go, Miss Chin.
Okay. I don't know.
That's 100. This is 800. Yeah. You're not used to that money yet.
Alright, so we're good?
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright, thank you. Alright, so that was a little bit complicated. So we made it back from Buff Bay. The ride in was really short, and it took a little bit longer getting back because we made a bunch of stops, and I don't know if you guys could see from that footage, but I was all the way in the back, and at one point there was 3 of us sitting in the back, so yeah, it was very crowded, but we got here, we paid for it, and now I'm walking back up to Chucky's. So yeah, it was nice. In the beginning, when you're in a new place, it seems like the public transportation can be confusing, but it's literally not, and you can always just ask people in the car if you don't know where you're going. So we'll see if Chucky is there now, and once I get back in the Wi-Fi, I can message people who are probably looking for me right now. Let's see what time it is. So it's 12:10. I left here at either like 11 or 11:10, so maybe it took a little bit over an hour, but not bad. And oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see the river. So beautiful, so beautiful. Wow, that's crazy. You know what, I might stop this clip so I can take a quick picture. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog to Buff Bay, taking the route taxi by myself in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm really excited to be here. It's going to be a different experience, definitely. But thanks again for watching. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and let me know what you guys think. So, alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.